In this lesson, I'm going to talk about diversification and why it's important to have a diverse strategy when it comes to your monetization of your blog. Unfortunately, blogging income does fluctuate. Clients are going to come and go, ad networks are going to change, and even your website traffic will probably fluctuate throughout the year. So you always want to be prepared in case something happens to one of your income streams. In order to achieve financial stability as a blogger, you want to plan ahead as far as possible, know how much income you have coming in, and know that they're coming from multiple streams. So, for example, if your primary focus is, say, sponsored posts or guest posts, and suddenly you lose that sponsorship, or an opportunity doesn't come through that month, hopefully you can fall back on your other income streams, things like your passive income from affiliate links or ad placements, or maybe you sell digital products. Those kinds of things can help lessen the blow when one income stream fails. Unfortunately, there was an incident a while back where a very large ad network suddenly disappeared overnight and bloggers lost thousands and thousands of dollars. So you don't want to find yourself in a situation like that where you don't have any other form of income. When you are relying on your blog as a full-time job, you want to make sure you're as prepared as possible. So think ahead, make sure you have different forms of income coming in. That way, in case something goes wrong, you have a backup plan.